Bro, the chain. Damn it, I'm gonna go start a massacre. You know the movie, Litterface, whatever?
No.
Track, you never, oh. You got brought out the tea yet. The Dragon Slayer, bro. Come here. Hi. Bro, just fucking kill me, goddamn. Watch this bomb. I lagged.
Damn.
Whoop. Where you at?
Just died at the dick with the chainsaw.
Where you at, Damien? That should be toxic, yeah. Oh god. Aha! I'm in I'm in second place. Oh shit, my bad.
Place, let's go.
Hey, the V2, bro. Why do people go? Oh my god, this is what I hate about this. Oh.
I'm done playing this game now.
Oh, why? What do you think about the chainsaw, bro?
Fucking yay.
They buffed it, bro.
Buffed my ass. It's always been fucking good.
Yeah, it was good. They buffed it more. It used to be like a less.
They need to nerf it.
Watch them buff.
Slow.
Watch them buff them again, bro.
Okay, bro. What am I gonna do?
Deep bulk game.
Stance do I have?
Ain't no way playing back to YBA.
Rating. Them. World. B1. Days.
Oh, no. The chainsaw is good overall, right, Damien? For grinding, bro. I mean, for kills, cause I'm already first place by using the
How much
chainsaw.
stamina I have?
Let me ask this person. What do you think about the chainsaw? Yes. Wait. Should it be nerfed? I agree. I must. Okay, I'm bored.